ya. Yeah, 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 yeah. Think I could please ya. I think I want ya. Think I wanna keep ya. Oh, think I'd give it all up for ya. Think I could believe ya.
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carla and this is Carla's Sweet Life. If this is your first time here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome guys again to another clean with me. This one is a messy clean with me. As you saw, it was quite the mess, and I am just going to tackle it while giving y'all extreme cleaning motivation, and you will see the messy house transformation.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, oh, why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying or not, building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't let them get in your head.
I am so excited to be sharing with you guys. I collabed with Yoleisy from The Lopez Life. She is a great, sweet friend that I met here through YouTube. She has great cleaning motivation on her channel and just the biggest sweetheart and so supportive. So when you guys are done here, make sure to go check out her channel. You will totally love it. She's got great music on her videos as well, and she's got a little one and does awesome workouts. So it gives you all the motivation you need to get going and be productive. But go make sure to check out her channel and her video that we collabed on. You guys, she is doing a whole house cleaning motivation. So between the messy cleaning and the whole house cleaning motivation on her channel, you guys will get tons of motivation.
Feel it. Keep getting under your thick skin, trying or not, building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that.
And I am just getting some meal prepping done. If I do this on the same day or the next day that I go grocery shopping, we are more likely to eat the fresh fruit. So I really like to do this and have it done, ready to go. Just pull it out of the fridge and eat. I really don't like my house to get this messy, but sometimes it just happens. Have to go with the flow. And actually on this day, this is the day before I actually got the flu, so I had made some soup for my husband, which was perfect because I was out for like 3 days and I could not do anything. So it was perfect to get everything cleaned up. I was exhausted this day, but you know, I pushed through and I was able to get everything done that I needed to get done because I did not know I was going to get super sick. But if you guys ever have a huge messy area that you need to tackle to get it done, I really recommend starting in a spot that you know you can get done pretty quickly. So just to get your momentum going, for me it was putting the dishes away because it really doesn't take that long, but somehow I still procrastinate to put the dishes away. So I would recommend starting with something that is quick, that way you can see some progress and keep going.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you, and we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away, summer Innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway, so take me away, some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid.
If you are new to my channel, I want to just introduce myself. My name is Carla, and I have two little boys of 5 and 7 years old, and we are a military family. We're currently stationed in Hawaii, and I do tons of cleaning motivation on my channel. So if you guys are needing any sort of motivation, I try to give y'all tons of tips and little cleaning hacks just to help you to be more productive in your day and just be more efficient. So if that is something that is right up your alley, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would totally love to have you join me in this amazing, crazy journey we call YouTube.
I never realized you were lying. I strongly believed in the game. You really had me back where you want me. I never thought I'd fall again. Created a space between us. As soon as you came and revealed that all that I thought would happen was clearly something you didn't feel. But let me know when you will think of me, a real desire. Can I feel my feet until we're dancing to this crazy beat? I'm kissing like we were in a trap. Kissing like we were in a trap. When we are dancing, butterflies flying. When stars are shining.
So this method antibacterial that I am using today, along with the 409 like you saw earlier, I am actually just trying to use it up. I don't like to waste cleaning products, but man, this smell is really, really strong. I don't know about y'all's opinions on the method antibacterial, but it's just strong. But I also cannot waste it, so I'm trying to use it up. So I would not recommend it, but let me know if you guys have any other scents that are better, that aren't so crazy strong. This one is too much for me.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do. 'Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you.
this was a few days later, and I was disinfecting because I was trying to prevent my littlest one from getting the flu. We all eventually got it. He just took the longest, but I was trying to disinfect all their toys and cleaning all those things up. So I'm just showing you guys all the items that I used for this area so it can get all disinfected and cleaned.
From a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game. And we holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Gonna let the world know. Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smell from the view on the window. Your lips taste a glint from your toothpaste. Spend time counting marks on your fingers. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. We have breakfast in bed. Pour the coffee and kiss me. We are both skipping work. Oh, there's a bird singing loud in the palm trees on the beach, laying next to your building, and the ocean is singing even louder. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste waste the time. Let's stay here and waste the time.
And I still have not taken down all of my Valentine's decor, so I took down the little bit that was in this area just so I can start getting most of it down. And I'm not gonna lie, as I am doing this voiceovers, which is Saturday, they are still up, okay? So soon you guys will actually be seeing a little bit of some more spring decorating, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I'm just excited to get some different stuff up on my house because I really love decorating, but I will be keeping it simple. I will not be going too overboard, but I'm excited to share that with y'all.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera. Tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela. Pasan por ahí todos y todas esas poses que tú conoces gracias a mi mujer. Ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, cita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this messy house clean with me, as I am showing you guys these before and afters. The messy house transformation is real, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go watch Yoleisy's video and make sure to subscribe to her channel as well. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love y'all so much, and thank you for the continued support. I cannot say thank you for those of you guys that just keep coming back. It just really means so much. And like I said, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and leave me a thumbs up on this video and say hi in the comments, because I love getting to know you guys, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas,